natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo, akala mo'y wala na sablay. Maselang maghari na aking isipan, huwag kang mabahala, di kita malilimutan. Paglipas ng ulan ay mapapangiti ang araw, huwag sanang mawala. Maselang bahaghari, and so smile as sweet as Mary show. Hands crumpled in a chaotic row, feet facing Danny Foe. Head down on hot concrete, I'm staring at the blue half moon. Then I remember the woman so sweet who left me all too soon. Do you have to bother to think of me? Time has come for us to go our separate ways. God forbid, my mind is going crazy today. Feels so cold, feels so numb, and having nightmares, but I'm awake. So help me, Lord, this loneliness makes this pain away. So if you still know I'll understand, would you give me something just to hold on to? And if you say I'll hold your hand, as a truly madly crazy loving. So if you still don't understand, di tulad ng mesa nilang parang laging may handaan. Ikaw ba, naririnig mo ba sila? Ikaw ba, gawing langit ang mundo? Kaya natin to. Sa simula ikaw at ako, tapos sila, hanggang maging lahat na tayo. Okay, gandang masdan sa bawat taong nagugutom at nahihirapan. Meron kang matutulungan. Oh, gawing langit ang mundo. Ring mapala sila nung sabi mo ika'y sirena. Huwag kang mag-alala, matatanggap ka rin nila. At kahit na ano pa ang gusto mo, basta wala ka bang tinatapakan na tao, ituloy mo lang ito. Ang mahalaga, ikaw ay masaya. Huwag mong intindihin ang sasabihin ng iba. Sila ang may problema. Nang pumapansin, it's in my tortang talong, biglang may iba from outer space. Nakita ko sa bahay, kinuha ko yung back from outer space. Binuksan ko at nasindak may pizza pie, sobrang laki. Tinikman ko within 5 seconds. Lubos ko parang mali, ngayon ako ay ganito. Kung di ka Pizza Hut o Shakey's, you're not welcome. Ina mo, ngayon ang aking pizza pie. Ayoko nang mahiwalay para sa'yo. Handa akong magpakamatay, cause now I love my pizza pie. Yeah, as long as I love a pizza pie, I know I need a lot. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, oh pizza pie. Oh pizza pie, pinge. You took all my time to have.